guys, it's Miss Mullen again, sharing yet another way that you can use the very versatile built-in camera on your Chromebook. So if you've never used the camera before, you go to the lower left-hand corner to the launcher. Once the apps launcher pops up, you can search for the word camera. And you can see mine already pops up because I use it quite frequently. Once you open the camera, then of course you will appear. If you think that you'll use this camera a lot, it's a good opportunity to go ahead and pin it to the tray at the bottom of your Chromebook. So you can just find that camera icon, right click on it, and you can click pin here, and that way it'll permanently be there. Okay, so if you are looking to record audio to insert into a Google slide presentation, okay, the camera is actually a way that you can do that. Now, technically, you'll be inserting videos into your Google Slides, but you can make them very, very small, where really the only thing that's going to play is the audio. You'll see a teeny tiny version of the video, but really the audio is what you're going to be delivering into those slides. So obviously, I don't want to do a photo. I want to do a video. So I'm going to click on video, okay? And then I'm going to click on record and record a quick video. So let's say, for example, this is a narration that's going on slide 1. Now, you will need to make individual recordings for each of the slides that you do. So let's just say this is my slide 1 narration, okay? Once I stop that recording, a big suggestion is to go to the video you just created, and it's going to be right here in this little mini image in the bottom right-hand corner. Once that opens up, I would really suggest that you rename it something that's very intuitive. For example, like this could be your slide 1 narration. Okay. Okay. So once you have named that, okay, press enter so it will be permanently named. The next thing you need to do is find your narrations, and I would put them somewhere like Google Drive where you can easily insert those into your slides. So let's just go ahead while I'm here and pretend like I'm now going to do the recording for slide 2. So you can see I have 2 different slide narrations. So again, I've chosen video, and I'm going to record, and this is for slide 2. This is my narration for slide 2. I'm going to stop it. Again, I'm going to click here in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to rename this one slide 2 narration. Okay, and enter. All right, so now you may say, okay, where are all of these videos? Where have they gone? Well, to go to that, you actually need to go to your files. Pretty easy. Again, click in the bottom left-hand corner, search for files, okay? And again, files is something that I use quite often on my Chromebook. So while it's down here in your tray, if you want to right-click on it and pin it to the tray, that's a great idea. Now, usually things that you have recently recorded or created are going to be under downloads underneath my files. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see there's my slide 1 narration and my slide 2 narration. Since I'm going to insert this into a Google slide, I'm going to make it easy on myself and drag both of these into my Google Drive. So I'm going to take slide 1 and add it. And you can see that little green plus sign to my Google Drive. And it'll give you a confirmation that it's copied to your drive. Now I'm going to take my slide 2 narration and copy it to my Google Drive. Okay, so we've recorded using our camera a video clip. We've looked in files and located those 2 different clips. And now we're going to do the third step, which is going to our Google slide for our class presentation. So I'm going to open a sample Google slide here. Let's say that this is my presentation for class. Okay, so for the first slide, I want my narration in there. So I am going to go to the Insert button. Okay, and I'm going to choose Insert Video, not audio, but video. Okay. Now remember, you stored these in your Google Drive, so that's where you'll find them. Since you recently just saved it, It may be a good idea to hit recent, otherwise it might show up right here like it did. Here's my slide 1 narration. I'm going to select that slide 1 narration, and it will insert into my Google slide. Okay, so again, you don't really want the video to be the focus. You want the audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this video very, very small. Okay, and I'm going to put it over in the corner. And just so you can see what that will look like once your teacher is presenting, okay, I'm going to put this into present mode. And there it is right there in the bottom corner. I'm actually going to drag that up just a little bit further so we can see it. Let's put it up here in the upper left-hand corner. Okay, let's try that one more time. All right, so there is my audio. So if I play that, it's going to play. Again, it technically is a video, but you made it very, very tiny. Okay. So again, going back now, let's say I'm going to add slide 2. And this is my slide 2 for my class presentation. Again, I'm going to go to Insert, Video, find my slide 2 narration, which I named and made it really easy on myself. Okay, and again, we're going to make it very, very small and put it in the corner off to the side where it won't be distracting, okay? But it's still audio there for you to play. Now notice also with video playback, there are some options. Really, most of that you're not going to need to change, but you could change where you want the video to start and end at. If you needed to clip it down or edit it a little bit, there are those options. But again, that's a great way to use your camera to record a video, but actually insert it and use it like audio as narration in a Google Slides presentation. If you have any questions, let me know.